What are you drink, man?
What is? It name Reggae Dew from Dutch Pot.
Reggae Dew? That's so nice.
And that's how we are go for lunch, you know.
Me say food over there so nice too, you know.
Them have a deal right now, $3.
Man, me have that right now.
You know the little box?
Hold on, mother that forward. Wait.
When he forward, me tell you. Yo, what's cracking, bro? What's cracking, bro? Yo,
What want me, G? Where are dealing?
Yo, what going, mother? Yo, bro, I was thinking pizza.
Dutch Pot. You know, get the memo.
Jamaican food? Bro, I don't want no Jamaican food, bro. I want pizza.
Sorry, me can't eat pizza, you know. Me kind of lactose intolerant. Me poop up the place, you know. I don't think I want pizza.
So you know say Dutch Pot? Y'all Jamaican eat that shit every day, bro. I want something different. I can't deal with the man, them come a friend, come change off. Switch out. Sell out. That's what you ain't gonna do, bro. You ain't gonna force me to eat no food that I don't want to eat, bro. I don't know what's wrong with y'all Jamaicans, bro.
Mother, that Dutch Pot me I go my you.
What the hell, bro?
I mean, don't talk.
What? My nigga, what?
Sorry, me never mean to lick you. But me have to lick sense in you. You have a $3 box of Dutch Pot. You know the little box there where we used to buy food in our school? Them call it burger box up here, but it's in small box. We gonna get that for $3. My, you can't beat that, dog.
Me gonna leave your car.
If pizza money can buy the whole of the food.
You know, no say nothing to me, no. Man, leave me no me feel.
You know, say me licky still. Come out of me car if you not got a Dutch Pot, my youth. I just saw me there.
You know, they hit me, bro. I'm gonna tell the boss, bro. Bro.
One less somebody fi carry that. Come on, my youth. Me bring back some for you.
You pay for me, though.
Me a come on in front.